I'm Coach Tammy Lee, and this is Cooking on the Bright Side. This is a recipe tutorial series that I have created to help you make healthy recipes to fuel your life. Today, I'm going to teach you to make green pancakes. This recipe is from my ebook, 20 Minutes or Less, which you can find on my website at gofitlife.ca. Before we go any further, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn notifications on. Okay, let's get to the recipe. You will need 1 3/4 cups of almond milk, 1 egg, 1 ripe banana, coarsely chopped, 3 ounces of spinach, 2 cups of self-rising flour, 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil melted, 1/2 cup of coconut yogurt to serve, and 1 cup of seasonal fruit to serve. Let's get to it.